So now it's time for the air filter. So let me remove the air filter. I had already unbolted this screw here, this one, and slackened this. So I will remove the hoses now. Remove the crankcase breather and then undo this. So I have these special pliers which lock into place. So what I will do is pull this up, pull this a bit and take it off. So this is how the air filter comes off. So this is the air filter housing. I will have to remove these 9 bolts with the help of this thing. Let me remove them and fit the cleaned Pipercross filter back. So putting the air filter back, need to loosen this at first. Put this up, ensure that the grip is all there. Then release this, right? Ensure that it doesn't come out. Then you need to press on this like this. Put in the breather hose, put in this hose, ensure that this is a snug fit, and finally the screw. Snug fit. Wipe everything off and your air filter is changed. Hey guys, so now before changing the cabin filter, I will clean the AC ducts using this Liqui Moly AC system cleaner. Right, it has got a duct here. I will put this duct in all 4 of them, and also at the front for the windshield ducts, and then we'll spray this, leave it for around 5 minutes, and then run the fan. So let me do that as well. Give it a shake. Add this, then we'll keep it for like 5-10 minutes, and then we'll switch on the AC, and then we will change the cabin filter. So this is the used air filter. You see how bad it has got, and this is a normal one, not a this is the newer one. Air direction this side, we'll fit it back. So guys, this is the cabin filter housing where the cabin filter goes, and you need to insert the filter element here and then put back this cover just like this. and press these clips on either sides and your cabin filter is replaced. So guys, this is the Liqui Moly AC evaporator cleaner that I have bought and I wanted to show you. So I had used this in all the vents and on the evaporator coil from the AC cabin filter side. You can access the coil from here, but I don't really feel that this did any work, because after using this Liqui Moly product, I have actually started getting more foul smell, and this is more pronounced when I switch off the AC and then park the car, and when the next time I start the car and the fan is on, there is a very, very foul smell that comes out from the vents. So I tried this twice. It still has some material left in it, and this is not a foaming cleaner. This is more of a some sort of liquid solution instead of the foam. And I had used this according to the guidelines that are mentioned on this bottle, and I've used this twice now. In fact, on the evaporator I have used it thrice for 3 different days, and I have run in the system after that multiple times, but I don't see this helping my situation. At least I'm sure the product is good, but probably for my situation it didn't help. I have used this Liqui Moly cleaner for the very first time. Before this I have used Wurtz AC cleaner and the Maruti AC cleaner, the Maruti Suzuki one. It's a Japanese import that they give for a similar price, 1300 or so. But this was the first time I have used this, and I really didn't like this. At least it might have cleaned the coil, but the smell is still persisting. So that is the reason I bought another AC cleaner, which is the ShineX Pro. This is again a AC vent cleaner and disinfectant, as it says on the bottle, and this is a normal AC cleaner, the foam based one. So I will try this one out today, and let's hope the smell goes from the AC. I have also changed the AC filter, so let's see how it fares out. So guys, I will be deferring the fuel filter replacement as of now, since I am planning to use a fuel system cleaner at the next oil change interval, which is another few thousand kilometers. Coming on to the comparison between the two oils, I was running the Mobil 1 0W40 earlier, which is a VW502 rated oil, and Mobil 1 claims it to be their top of the line oil. And for this service, I wanted to test and experience the VW 0W20 oil. Now this VW oil is 508-509 rated and has significantly more advanced formulations as per the newer VW standards. Now, though both the oils are 0W rated for the winter viscosity, which ideally should mean that the cold start performance of both the oils should be the same, but the real world scenario is very different. While the earlier Mobil 1 0W40 felt somewhat sluggish at the start, this new 0W20 is much smoother. The crank time is unchanged, but the engine note is much smoother. Also, the 0W20 gains operating temperature much faster owing to its lower viscosity index. Now, at operating temperature, the car feels more vibrant and eager as compared to the Mobil 1 0W40, since the oil is much thinner now. Talking about the fuel efficiency figures, the efficiency has gone up by 1.5 kilometers as I have observed in the initial run-in with this new engine oil. Talking about the NVH levels, I feel the engine clatter is more pronounced with the new 0W20 oil compared to the Mobil 1 0W40. But these are just very initial observations with very little kilometers run-in. I will be running this 0W20 oil for the next few thousand kilometers, since I also have an upcoming long trip planned. and then I will do a proper comparison based on real world driving conditions. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.